This poor chisel got on the wrong side of a nail. 350 whetstone to start pulling away the metal. Stubborn ding was taking a lot to come out. Reset in the jig, check the angle, and get back to work on it. Now prepping the 1000 whetstone. I start on the flat side to remove the burr, but notice it makes a slight scratch on my lovely stone. It was where the nail ding was, must have raised a tiny spike of metal. I pull it over the 350 stone again, and it makes some tiny lines, but I can flatten those out of the stone. Now I can get back to sharpening. Color the tip in to check my angle, and then I can start the process again. Moving around the stone so I don't cause a dip in one place. Checking the progress. Once I have a nice bear, I flip it over and give the backside a good working over. Quick freshen up of the whetstone, and I'm back at sharpening to refine that edge. The edge is feeling good, a quick thumbnail test. This is pressing it lightly onto your fingernail, it should bite in rather than just slip off. Clean off that dirty whetstone, and move on up to my 5000 stone. Same process, but don't tend to press as hard with this level. Almost foolishly tried to test the sharpness towards my fingers. But then I turned it around but went off camera. You miss the slice through the paper, but you can see it made a neat cut. I repeat the process for the other chisels and then went to try some on fence. I don't do woodwork, so don't judge my technique, but the chisels peel a slither of wood off with ease.